Good day, good day. So this is a top load washer. I gotta replace the motor. I gotta replace this belt, and I also gotta replace this pulley. I'm not even sure how this got like this. Looked like someone was chewing on it or something. I don't know. But anyways, as a genius, your boy decided to wear a white shirt today. And now, it's all scuffed up. It's all good, though. I gotta do what I gotta do. I hate getting on the floor like that, though. But anyways, this your new motor. And the other one is the old motor that's in the corner. I had to get this pulley on, get the little speed sensor on, everything. Once I got that, I was able to, tighten everything up and do what I came to do. Another successful job completed. Blue collar.